Good morning, everyone, and happy Independence Day. Hey everyone, it is 4th of July and it's cloudy out. I think we tricked Mother Nature. We're not having our 4th of July party this year on the 4th, we're having it on the 5th. It's supposed to rain, we're supposed to get some showers. There's a band of showers going up through Connecticut and Massachusetts, so don't know whether they're going to come to us or exactly how they're going to go, but right now we're just getting ready for the cookout and getting the house all set, so I'll show you what we're doing. Hey everyone, just checking in with you guys. It's been a busy day today. We got all the cleaning inside done, everything's all set, so we're all ready for the party tomorrow. We actually got lucky because it rained for a little while this afternoon, so we got all the yard work done yesterday, inside stuff done today. Now it's about 8 o'clock and fireworks in the neighborhood are starting to go off. We were going to go out to see fireworks somewhere, but Ashley was supposed to be going over a friend and we're still waiting for the friend to call, so we're not going to have any time to get there now. So what we might do is go down to the lake and watch the fireworks down there, see what's going off down there. So I'll bring the camera with me just like I did yesterday, and we'll see what happens, what shots I can get and everything. So I'll show you the different things that we get tonight.
They're letting those off a boat right there. Yeah. Terrible.
Ooh.
Right. Let's drop some coin on this.
Oh, yeah.
Serious scratch. Oh, yeah, they're not cheap. Yeah, I think that's got to be a late. Yeah. actually come to me with flame cans. Whoa!
Those are getting up there now.
They're getting up there. They're getting up a good 200 feet, maybe more.
Wow.
That's getting up there. Wow. Wow.
Oof.
Oh, yeah.
Hey everyone, we just came back from a wicked good fireworks display. We've lived here for 10 years and never knew that it went on. It is actually right down the street from my house. It was incredible. We had fireworks being shot off from all over the place. So we know the new place to go on the 4th of July from now on. Right now it's about 10:30. Fireworks are starting to wind down outside. Still hear a couple of bangs and everything, but usually between 10:30 and 11, everything quiets down up here. So it's nice because then you can get to sleep. But that's 4th of July up here. We had a really good time at the fireworks. We got our cookout tomorrow, so go to bed early so that we can get up for that tomorrow. Hey everyone, that's going to be it for tonight. Busy day today getting ready. Just went down. We've lived where we live now for about 10 years. And we've always heard the fireworks go off and we've never gone down to see them. Tonight we went down to see them. They was one of the best fireworks I've seen. They put a lot of the municipality fireworks, the Lincoln, Pawtucket, and all that to shame. They were incredible. We'll be doing those from now on. You had like 5 different families lighting off fireworks, and they actually lit them off from a boat in the middle of the lake. It was the best fireworks. Gonna end the video here. Like I always say, you can follow me on Facebook. You can subscribe to my Twitter feed. You can go to my website, which is markplant.com, or you can subscribe below. Thanks again for watching, and happy 4th of July to everyone. And I'll see you again tomorrow. We have our 4th of July picnic tomorrow, so I'll try to get video from that. So I'll see you tomorrow.